nature walk today up this steep ass hill. Looking down that hill. It's just crazy. We gotta go up here. It's the fun part. Keep on pushing. Huh? Every time you think you're at the top, you get. Nope. We are not there yet. In the famous words of David Goggins, every time you get to the top of the hill, run back down that motherfucker as fast as you can, and then go back up.
Going down this with a bike?
Ooh.
So fun and dangerous.
What? Could you imagine going down there? My calves burn just going up it. Look at that view. Oh, y'all can't even tell. I've been seeing some. I was trying to look for certain birds. Oh, look at that one. I missed it. There's one. They're beautiful birds out here that you don't see in Florida. But this hill is definitely something you won't see in Florida. Yep, it's got another mile. Come on. All right, we'll report back when we get to the top. Had to stop and show this, bro. I ain't never seen that in Florida. Hollowed out tree. Just looking like a tube. Seen plenty of trees on the ground. None of them ever hollowed out, though. It's pretty cool. Still got more to go to get up. But the view is freaking crazy right now. We made it all the way to the top. There's a bench. That's how you know we made it. When there's the bench here. But a little disappointing. Because at the top of this hill, there are houses in the street. But it was still worth the hike. Still a beautiful view. Gotta love it.